Mr. Trombley, can you raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm the testimony you're about to give is the true self of God?
I do.
All right, you can put your hand down. And would you state your name?
James Robert Crumbly.
All right, go ahead, Ms. Lane.
Thank you, Your Honor. Good morning, James.
Good morning.
You know that you and I have talked about your trial. Is that right?
That is correct.
We have talked about how the trial will go.
That is correct.
You know that when you were accused and charged with these offenses, that you have the right to remain silent.
That is correct.
We discussed that that right carries through the trial.
That is correct.
You and I have discussed the whether or not you would testify during your trial.
That is correct.
We talked about the benefits of you testifying.
That is correct.
We talked about the risks of you testifying.
That is correct.
And we've talked extensively about whether or not you would testify.
That is correct.
And knowing all of that, is it your decision to testify or is your decision to remain silent?
It is my decision to remain silent.
Mr. Trombley, do you have any questions for me, or do you need any further discussion with your attorney?
No, I don't believe so. Thank you,
Okay.
Your Honor.
Okay. All right. I think we're releasing the jury right now. I want to caution everyone that's here to be cautious about interacting with anyone in the courthouse. If someone were to say something or do something in front of one of the jurors, it could be devastating to this process. So I know emotions have been running high through the whole trial, and I'm just asking everybody to please, mind where you are and what you're saying and who you're interacting with, all right? Starting over will be devastating for everyone, all right? So are they released? Okay, so the jury is released. I'm gonna make sure no one's in the hallway before you take them down. So we're gonna have closings at 12:30.
Yes, Your Honor.
We'll have the instructions available for you before that.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Oh, 20, wait. If you put them in the order you want them in,
I'll take care of it,
we will
Judge.
copy them, okay? So we have them, she modified the expert witness, right? Yes. Okay. So if you return them to us, we'll make a copy for each of you, and we'll also make a copy for the jury. All right?
Thank you, Judge.
All right, so I'll see you here at 12:30. You can take the defendant, but let me make sure that there's no one in the hallway. All right? And I'm gonna ask you all to remain seated while the defendant is taken out of the court.
Do you want this back or this first?
That can be-
Okay.
You didn't move any.
We did.
Oh.
But this is the